Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me video, and just talking to you guys about life. I feel like I haven't done that in a while. I love when people make these kind of videos, just to kind of fill me in. I feel like Instagram's kind of more like, not fake, but you can be more like talkative and yourself on YouTube and just talk. So that's what I'm going to do today. Today's laundry day and I'm putting a lot of makeup on. So that's what we're doing. If you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe. I keep getting to 7,000 and then it goes down and then it goes back up and then it goes down. So keep me at 7,000. That would be amazing. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, I'm gonna get started. My face is already moisturized. I've been really trying to work on my skin lately. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with my foundation. I've been using the Bare Minerals Pro. I really like it. It's kind of like, it oxidizes, like the color's perfect for my skin and then it oxidizes throughout the day and then it just is too dark. So I mix it with my It Cosmetics CC Plus cream. I love just like a little dot of this and a little dot of that, mixing it together. I feel like the combination is perfect. This shade is Fair and this is in Pecan 18. So yeah, and this has SPF 50, which is so nice, especially if you're out in the sun a lot. It covers your face really well. So I've been mixing those too. Anyways, okay, let's get started on putting the makeup on. So life has changed pretty drastically for us. We finally found out our duty station. And guys, are you guys ready to hear where we're going? We got Hawaii. And we are freaking out. I think I had mentioned in one of my car videos that we got Hawaii and it's crazy. Like, it feels so unreal. It doesn't feel real life yet, especially because we're not moving for a while, but it just feels so weird. Like, it doesn't feel like real life. But yeah, we got Hawaii. So we literally just found out last week, I think, and I posted my like picture on Instagram and I got a lot of DMs asking me like how we got Hawaii and like am I excited, just like all those questions that people were genuinely curious to know, and everybody was just giving me their opinions, some nice, some not so nice. So we are going to be moving to Oahu. That's like one of the bigger islands. It's not Hawaii. It's not like the big main island, but it's Oahu with Honolulu. And yeah, so we move in December, kind of far away. People are going to be like, oh my gosh, why are you guys announcing right now? Well, because we're excited. That's why we're announcing right now. We're very excited. Crap, did I not bring my concealer? Oh, it's right here. Concealer. Maybelline Fit Me. I have been loving this, especially for summertime. It's not too heavy. The Tarte Shape Tape sometimes dries my eyes out. I've been getting a little bit more fine lines, so this is a good one. And I've been covering up my spots with it. But anyways, yes, so Oahu, Honolulu, that's the area we're going to be living in. I'm so excited, like so excited, but I also am like so nervous. It's crazy to be moving, and a lot of people have given their judgment, which is totally fine, but a lot of people gave judgment when we moved to Alaska and we were like freaking out. Well, not freaking out, but we were kind of just like, oh my gosh, is Alaska gonna be terrible? And we ended up loving Alaska. Like, everybody was like, oh, there's nothing to do there, you're gonna hate it, blah 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 blah. Oh my gosh, we were obsessed. Like, we would go back tomorrow and live there for the rest of our lives. We were so obsessed with it. We loved it. So I feel like a lot of the people that have been negative about our whole Hawaii thing, either they're going to be wrong or they're going to be right. So obviously we have to live there first to see if they're telling the truth about what they think. But genuinely, we are very excited. I'm like super nervous. Like, I was so excited and then it just kind of hit me and I was like, wait, this is like a huge move. We have to like bring all the kids on an airplane to Hawaii. It's gonna be rough. Like, 1-year-olds on an airplane is not very fun. And it's not very easy. So yeah. Okay, so this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I love this. I always use this. It's cheap. Guys, I don't have time to buy all the expensive makeup right now. I've just been kind of making do, and I really don't do makeup every single day. I used to, but I've been trying to not do as much. I'm just setting my under eyes first, and then I'm gonna dust it over my face. Is this lighting? Maybe that's better. Is that better? Let's see. Okay, sorry guys if that's too bright. I don't want it too bright. Anyways, so yeah. Some people have been really rude about it, and it's okay. And yeah, obviously plane tickets are so expensive to come and visit, but we're only going to be there for 4 years, and then we're moving back home to live but closer to family and all of that. So this is kind of like our last hurrah in the military. Court's gonna stay in the military, but he's gonna do non-active. This is the Anastasia Contour Kit. I've been using this a lot lately. I still like it, believe it or not. It's pretty old, but I still use it. It's got some good red undertones for tanning my skin because I try not to tan my face as much, so I feel like this gives me some good color. So yes, we are moving. Next I'm gonna do some eyes. Well, maybe I'll do some highlighter first. I'm just gonna use this Pure Bronze and Brighten. Guys, I swear I use this in like every single video. I swear I use this in every single video, but I love it. And a little goes a long way. So this thing lasts me forever. I guess I should probably do some eyebrows before we move on. But I guess I'll just do a little bit of highlighter everywhere. I'm gonna do some eyebrows. So yeah, what else is new? We're wanting to sign Hudson up for preschool, but it's kind of just like a hit or miss right now. We can't really decide because of all of the coronavirus stuff that's been going on. We don't know if we want to like get him in. You know what I mean? We don't know if we want to like start him because it's like expensive, but we also don't want anything to happen. Like, we don't know any of the parents. We don't know like anything really about anything here. Plus we're moving in December, and him starting in August wouldn't really like do much. So I've been kind of just like homeschooling him as much as I can lately, and that's whatever. Like, he just turned 4. I feel like it's not a huge deal, but for sure once we get to Hawaii, I'm going to have him start kindergarten when it's time. So that's that with Hudson. He's been doing pretty good. This whole coronavirus thing is really like screwing with him, and it kind of sucks because he just like wants to play. We're not used to like not having play dates every once in a while. We usually do them like once or twice a week, so he's kind of going stir crazy still. But we've been trying to like do more things, like go to the beach and just kind of, you know, get him out of the house so he's not feeling so alone. And I kind of feel bad. Like, it just sucks to just watch him just be kind of like bored. And like, there's only so many things you can do, and you don't want to just like keep buying toys and stuff like that, you know? So it's been kind of sad with that, but What can you do? Okay, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette, guys. I always use this. I'm just gonna go in with like a neutral color and just sweep this over my lid. I haven't been really doing anything too crazy with my eyes, but I wanted to do a little something something today, even though today's just laundry. So I've been really trying to like focus on my Instagram and my YouTube channel lately. Seriously, I hate social media, you guys, but I've kind of like dug myself in a hole, so I feel like I can't really like stop. But I hate social media. I feel like I always have to like step back, take some breaks. But I've been really trying to focus on them lately just because I know we're moving. I'm trying to just like make it look a little bit more professional and not so like plain. So I hope that that's working. I really just, I feel like it's like a blog kind of, but I almost like YouTube more because it's more like personable, like where I can do this, and you can't really do that as much on your Instagram page. So I kind of like, I mean you can, but I don't know. I just feel like seeing a person in real life and like talking in real life is more like personable than like just posting a picture and like having people read, you know what I mean? Like I can just sit here and talk and tell you guys what's been going on versus a picture, which a picture's nice, but that's one reason why I really like hate social media, because it really puts a damper on things. It makes you feel like you're not good enough, and I really struggle with that. I mean, obviously, I wish that like things were better sometimes, but you gotta kind of work with what you got. Okay, so before I do my eyes, my eyelashes and whatever, I just want to add a little bit of lipstick. This has been my go-to lately, guys. This is Essence Nude 11. It's like $3, but this nude, so nice. Really good for summer, and it just kind of feels like you're wearing chapstick. Let me see if I can show you guys. Just kind of looks like chapstick. I like it. I've been wearing that. And then this is just the Tarte mascara that I've been wearing. It's almost gone. I can't decide on if I want to wear eyelashes or not. I just, you know those days when you're just like, do I want to get ready or do I not want to get ready? So do you guys have any questions for me? I feel like I've just been talking. But if you guys have any questions, you should DM me on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I feel like I tell you guys that all the time, and I just feel like I'm being annoying, but I try and keep my channel kind of like repetitive, you know, so that I am kind of doing the same things. But, oh my gosh, I look like crazy. No, I'm not gonna do lashes today. I just, you know, those days when you're just like, I want to, but I don't want to. Like, what's my day gonna be like? Am I going anywhere? But yeah, I haven't worn like legit eyeshadow in forever. I feel so glamorous today. I really want to do more of like a glam video, but I'm not that good at makeup. Like, I made so many makeup videos, but I just never really got good responses. Like, not like anybody was mean, but I just never really had many people support my page as much. I usually get more following and stuff when I do more like personable things, I guess. I've said that word a lot, but it's true. Which is fine. I love makeup. I'm not that good at it, but I still love it. Dang it, I forgot to put this on very first. This is the Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer. I like this stuff. I don't always wear it, but yeah. Okay, finished my makeup. I'm gonna take this off and see what's going on under here. So this is the final makeup. It's not really fancy or anything, but I hope you guys enjoyed listening to me talk, give you guys a little bit of an update. We're moving to Hawaii. I'm so excited. So weird. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.